मेरे को प्रिंटर भेजो तो आप ये मांगो देख देख हमें हमारे तरफ से हमारे क्लास में हमारे स्कूल में बहुत सारा बच्चा है May I come in?
Yeah,
Good evening. No, finish.
Done.
Good. Relax. Finish it. Have the water. Hey, with this, your stomachs are filled. Okay, let's start with whose books are lying. Okay, let's start with the work. Why? What is these girls are doing? Good evening. She's just joining me. Hey guys, pick up the books quick. No, you are not alone. Abhi gaya tha na bahar.
Sir, important things. Homework.
That I'll do it. Hey, hi. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
How are you doing, Nakshatra? Look here, my students are in a dancing mood today. Get in. One is jumping around. How is the climate in Aiholi? Hot, humid?
Yeah.
Good. So rainfall is in the next 2 days, I hope.
Yeah.
Oh, you know. How?
It was drizzling a little bit.
Oh, drizzles in Aiholi. Oh my God. Idhar nahi kar raha. I'm eagerly. Girls, sit down. Pick up. Now today Nakshatra is going to tell me what I was doing last class.
We finished the village of Palampur chapter.
Oh, good. So we have started with a new chapter of this one also.
Yes.
I think. Anna? I'm going to check. Those who are not done will be out of. Tell me the second chapter of geography. Did I start with?
Yes, sir.
Physical division.
Isn't this economics?
What's it, Nakshatra?
Economics.
Economics I have completed. Palampur, long back.
So we're not doing the next chapter?
I have very present or absent. I have started with physical division. A water bottle at a side. Such a big bag, such big bottles. 2 hours class, and they are packed as if they are coming for a 10-day picnic. Aram se, don't laugh when you are drinking water. Take it in. She's sitting next to you. You will have a face wash very quickly. Come in. Yeah, I was doing geography or economics. Start coming. I started with second chapter of geography. Ek kaun hai? Geography. Bad job. Today your costume is something all good, huh? It seems to be. Guys, don't, enough. Quickly pick up your. Geography, I've started with that chapter also. Economics, if you feel, did I discuss all the part of the economics? No. But
सर
Yeah.
हमारे स्कूल में रिसोर्स पीपल एज अ रिसोर्स
but geography,
उसमें
क्या उसमें?
फिर उसको कुछ
Come on. Tell me what was the physical feature I was discussing with you?
The Himalayan states, the northern states.
Completed?
Yes.
सर हिमालय हिमाचल के
The
बारे
coastal plains and the island.
I could discuss that.
पंजाब प्लेन
Himalaya and northern states.
Completed. Okay.
पंजाब प्लेन also
Yes, sir.
So let us go into that plateau, is it?
yes
Okay, Indian plateau. Pencil note taking. Pick up the page. Instead of I am giving notes, I feel you will be very good with the models. I'll explain side by side. It's on page number 150. No, it's on 156. The Peninsula Plateau. Hey, Nakshatra, you have attended my geography lecture or you missed any lecture in between? I'm not sure.
I attended all of them.
Sit down. ये पूरा 15 minute base
Previous class.
Wait a minute. Were you absent or were you present on my last class?
When was the last class?
Wednesday, every Wednesday. only I-
Yes, I was there.
Hey, check your notebook. What was the last notes that you? Jao.
Yes.
सर और पंजाब प्लेन
Punjab plains are given. Just check in your notebook, Nakshatra. Did you write Punjab plains in your notebook? What was the last point? Read.
Five.
नो
उसके आगे भी दिया है मैंने.
उसके आगे हिमालय हाँ द
Jairam.
झेलम
Yes, sir. We did till Punjab plains.
Are you sure, na?
Yes.
You haven't touched the geography notebook, that's for sure. Like these guys, ready? Okay, so today there will be a small board test. Let's see. I hope from there Nakshatra is going to answer me. Okay. I'm not going to mark the names. I'm going to ask them specific details. So read this map that I've shown in your notebook. Volume also it's okay.
नोटबुक में आपने
Easy कर रहा है, अभी difficult use. All the 5 divisions, since Nakshatra is online, you have to tell me. Okay. So what is this division known as, Nakshatra? This one.
Himalayas. The
Okay.
Great Himalayas.
Second division,
The northern
northern
plains.
plains. Correct? The northern plains. Third division,
The Indian desert.
Indian desert. Okay, next. Great.
Should I say in the order or any?
It's okay. What I mean, this part is called as what?
Coastal plains.
This part. This is Deccan Plateau, correct?
Yes.
Coastal plains is this is West Coastal Plain,
And east coastal plain.
which is broader and which is narrow. Who can tell me which is broader and narrow?
the
East Coastal Plain is broader,
broader
West
and the
is
western
narrow. And then we have 2 islands. One is Lakshadweep, smaller island, and Andaman and Nicobar, bigger islands. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now the offliner people. will be giving more importance.
Sir,
हाँ.
POB. Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea.
Bob है, POB monthly. BOB, Arabian Sea,
Yes.
Indian Ocean.
Yes.
Now come on, you come mark me all the 3 layers of Himalayas. 3 divisions of Himalayas.
Yes. Then Himadri.
Himadri is so down.
Sir,
You can't go to the left hand side, don't erase it. Don't erase it. Go to the left hand side and mark it. Take up.
first.
What is it? Do it. Nobody is going to disturb you. I'm teaching everything in detail. Himalayas, Himadri, very good. There are five ranges of Himalayas.
Sir, नाम भूल गया सर माउंटेन्स का शिवालय
Himalaya, Himadri, Himachal, Shivalik.
अरे वो लास्ट
It is 3 ranges.
हाँ
Himadri, Himachal and Shivalik. First. Himalaya के 3 part है.
Himalaya क्या होता है?
It is Himadri.
हिमाचल
अरे हिमालय.
Right. Your
हिमाचल.
attendance and attribution into my subject.
Shivalik.
Wait, your friends are also sailing on the same boat. Okay, thank you. हाँ
पूर्वांचल
अच्छा कर बाबा तो 5 रेंज बना दिया 3 ही रेंज है हिमालयस का ठीक है थैंक यू let it it's okay leave it. Thank you the other person show me divisions of northern plains
वो पूर्वांचल में है
that is your work. Northern plains are divided into market. Or if you want to draw it separate, chalega. Want to help your friend? Now what is that? First division.
Indus and लिखो कैसे मैं वो सब बोल रही हूँ.
ये northern plains से बना दो. चलेगा. It's very expensive. How much to?
So Deccan Plateau is first.
नहीं तूने हिमालयस का ही बैंड कर दिया 3 ranges to 5 range कौन बोल रहा है हिमालय में हिमालय में
सर वो हिमालय टॉप सब पर
the Indus is the plain wait you go and sit in a place get your friend you give take only that is the rivers I want plain
सर
पंजाब प्लेस गंगा प्लेस
हाँ हाँ
but how do I know where is Punjab plains you put an address
सर हियर like market here
एक काम करो वो मार्क करके नंबर 1 2 3 डाल दो और इधर लिख दो
पैसे सेंटर घुमा सकते
Nakshatra, you must keep doing it. Your chair is circling.
ये वो थोड़ा ऊपर है तो गुजरात में
Madam, अभी पूरा time
Should I draw this?
Please draw it.
Okay.
You haven't drawn, is there?
और
Draw it. What is your name? Tanisha. थोड़ा सा अच्छा study करना. I forgot your name. Asia. Asia. Arisia. Come on. Where is she? अच्छा यही है. One more person was there ना. You mark second chapter, the 2 division. Where? She come in. तो चलो फिर पंजाब प्लेन्स के 3 parts, 3 plains. Sit down. ना तो मार्क तो करो. Chabita diya to I know. Except this boy and except these two girls, all are brilliant. फिर बच्चा ही बोल चलो
सर आप बच्चे
नहीं मैं बच्चा तो नहीं मैं बड़ा हो गया but I am not going to write your test. Like one thing you make it sure every day, not my subject. Are you selecting every day one subject? I don't think so.
Yes.
You do. Tell me when was the last day you touched my subject, geography?
Day after yesterday.
Day after yesterday. Day before yesterday. Which chapter did you study?
The story of Palam.
So shall I ask you some questions from there? Can you tell me the difference between fixed and working capital?
Fixed and
Working capital. Wait, Nakshatra, you know the difference between fixed and working capital?
Working capital is like it's used every day basis.
Okay, daily basis.
Yes, daily basis. And fixed capital, like working capital, you can like move them from one place to another.
Madam, you draw the quickly. Guys, I'm telling you very strictly from today onwards. Today going home, you should learn all these features. Not reading, learning. If you don't learn, then what I'm going to do?
So draw it 59.
Nahi chahiye. When you come for the next lecture here, I'm going to shoot you all the questions of this chapter.
Sir,
Whoever not answers my question, then I will call their parents.
So you give us outstanding questions.
No outstanding. Your messages will be given to your parents, and parents will be giving explanation why my bacha has done it or not. Will do? Will do? Or will send a right big email to your parents. ये सब नहीं करूँगा if you do the work. Shall we proceed? Yes. Good. Cheer up, cheer up. Nothing punishment. Please make care. Oi, smile. That's it. छोटा सा. इनसे ज़्यादा नहीं चाहिए. अभी बड़ा smile लगेगा. Let us come to page number 156, I think. Did I discuss Bhabar, Harai, Bhangar, Khadar, Kankar, Dunes? I discussed. Look at that peninsular plateau. Just look at the board very carefully. Now we have two plateaus, but both are of Indian plateau. This is river Narmada, correct? Then I say a very small river called Tapi. What is the specialty of Narmada and Tapi? Come on. ये भी मैंने बोला था.
Sir, ये हम लोग को अभी पढ़ाया फिर के पहले.
The only two dashed rivers of India. What are they?
Sir, ना बताए.
Now, what are they? Narmada and Tapi, I know. Yes, Nakshatra, tell me.
Very.
I have to be very strict with you, especially for
Sir, rising from the Satpura ranges in
Satpura only. Come on, Nakshatra.
Rift Valley.
The only two best flowing rivers of India. Did I say? All the rivers flows into Bay of Bengal. Only two rivers flows into Arabian Sea. What are they? Narmada and Tapi. I think by next lecture again you will forget.
No.
Sure? So come on, tell me again, what are Narmada and Tapi? Very good.
Waste.
Waste flowing. Very good. Waste. What is that pronunciation? Mumbai pronunciation. Yes.
Sir, Narmada and Tapi are the only two rivers. Sir, in the
Tell me the full sentence.
Sir, Narmada and
Nakshatra, you tell me. You are going to waste that. Next.
Narmada and Tapi are the only two rivers that flow into the Arabian Sea.
Very good. And where other rivers are flowing then?
Sir,
Bay of Bengal.
Bay of Bengal. Sure.
yes.
Everybody knows we have Western Ghats, which is continuous, and broken Eastern Ghats. The reason for broken Eastern Ghats, these swift rivers only, which has dissected the Eastern Ghats at every place. The Western Ghats maximum is from 900 to 1100 meters. Are you understanding? Whereas the maximum height of Eastern Ghat is only 600 meters. So which one is more taller, Western or Eastern? Western Ghats are more taller and Eastern Ghats are less. You go to Odisha, especially we have river Mahanadi. What is Mahanadi famous for? It is famous for its floods. Today we have a dam, one of the longest dam in India. Can anybody name the dam? Tehri Dam. What is Mahanadi famous for? Its floods. So it is properly categorized as sorrow of Odisha. Which river is known as sorrow of Odisha? River Mahanadi. Correct? Which dam is Which dam is constructed, Nakshatra, on that same river?
I don't know.
I don't know. Just now only I told you. It is Tehri Dam. Tehri. Come on, repeat.
Tehri.
Idhar dekh ke bolo. Repeat.
Tehri Dam
What it is?
constructed on the Mahanadi River
Why?
because it's famous for flooding.
So let it be, na?
So to prevent the floods.
That's okay. You are saying something I'm going to say. It is very long. It is the water which it carries. It comes from Chhattisgarh. And it enters into Odisha. Very good. And then it quietly goes into war. Let us go to Peninsula Plateau. Sorry. So whatever you remember, Narmada south में है वो Deccan Plateau है, और Narmada का जो north में है वो central. It is divided into two. Central Highlands, इधर जो part है इसको Central Highlands बोलेंगे, जो नर्मदा का south में उसको Deccan Plateau बोलेंगे. Central Highlands are even extended up till Meghalaya. Not proper extension, थोड़ा सा plateau है, उसको हम लोग Abilong, Karbi and Meghalaya बोलेंगे. But it is a part of which plateau? Deccan Plateau. And Deccan Plateau is the oldest part of India. What is the oldest part of India? An entire India was found. They said this was the first place formed. Plains बाद में बना, Himalayas तो अभी बना. अभी मतलब कल नहीं बना. 75 million years ago. But as compared to any other feature, the oldest feature in India, Arshi, what it is? Made out of? Made out of volcanic origin. So it is famous for which soil?
Black soil.
I'll ask your friend only too. It is made out of which soil?
Black soil.
Black soil. Why black only? Why black only?
Sir, because
the rock which is formed is basalt. What is the rock? Come on.
Sir, basalt.
Volcanic eruption देखा है क्या? TV में कभी तो. जब वो cooling and solidification होता है, it is an igneous rock. And जिस rock से weathering होता है, उससे कौन सा soil मिलता है? क्यों? Wait. बस उधर लिखेगा उधर ही मिल जाएगा. I'll give it to you. So normally we have two part of the plateaus, Central Islands and Deccan Plateau. Central Islands में दो है, एक बुंदेलखंड है और एक भागेलखंड. भागना वाला भागेलखंड नहीं है, but इसको लोकल नाम से जानते हैं. Correct? So जो नर्मदा का साउथ में उसको हम लोग डेक्कन प्लेटो बोलेगा, and नर्मदा के जो नॉर्थ में उसको सेंट्रल हाइलैंड्स. Both are a part of which plateau? Indian plateau. What is the economic importance of Indian plateau?
Sir, agriculture.
Okay, agriculture. Black soil is popular for cotton. Second, mainly it is mineral. Correct?
Mining.
Mining. Which part of India gets 60% of the minerals?
No, Deccan Plateau.
कुछ भी तुक्का मतलब. Nakshatra 1, 2. All guessworks only. Throw asterisks at me. Keep pinking me everywhere. and it pricks me here when you are not answering. Bolu, Himalayas in the Deccan Plateau. Such a good wild guess. Chota Nagpur Plateau. ये भी मैंने बोला है. I ask you, remember Mahendra Singh Dhoni? He comes from the place Ranchi. और ये जो छोटा नागपुर झारखंड में ही है. इंडिया का पूरा मिनरल्स जितना उसमें 60% मिनरल्स एक छोटे से जगह से आता है. Somebody has written, sir, it is next to Nagpur, Chota Nagpur. No, it is not found in Maharashtra. For your convenience, it is found in Jharkhand. Is it okay?
Yes.
Shall we get into plateau? Did you understand? Sure. Let us move into the volume, page number 156, Peninsular Plateau. Underline, a tableland composed of open bracket, old crystalline, igneous and metamorphic rocks, close bracket. It is formed due to, underline, breaking and drifting of Gondwana land.
Sir, can you repeat what?
पहला point में underline peninsular plateau, tableland, open bracket, crystalline rock, igneous rock and metamorphic rocks. Second point, formed by, underline, breaking and drifting. If you remember that story of Himalayas, did I not say the Angara land and Gondwana land, the two land masses, in between there was a sea of Tethys. Angara land was to the west and Gondwana land was up to the east.
Sir,
These land masses were so huge. Today's Australia is formed out of this. उससे भी बड़ा था ये.
answer.
जियो सब उधर लिखा है.
Sir,
At least you guys have written, and these you guys have written. It's okay. It's okay. Then they say it is this Gondwana plain which has been made into which plateau now? The Indian Peninsula Plateau. क्या catch up? एक मिनट. I'll. What catch up? My way of talking is that catch up. But you dear, you are telling me after so long. Then initially you never caught what I was speaking then. तो तुम्हारा रेडियो फ्रीक्वेंसी वेव बन. इतना दिन हो गया आज बोल रहा है. ठीक है. I will reduce my speed, but I hope you will increase your speed. By when? ठीक. देखो आपका मैं सारा जो भी है I'll try to address. Okay, but you have to pick up when after 10, before 10,
No.
during 9, after 8 standard 9, right now. चल. ए नक्षत्र क्या चालू है?
I'm listening to what you're saying.
Oh, you understood. We were just gossiping for geography. One of my students is very fast than me. So I'm reducing my speed. इतना ही सुना ना?
Huh.
फिर क्या सुना?
No, you said the same thing.
And that's the thing, na? She is very fast.
No,
I
she,
Nakshatra
she
is also-
said she said that you're too fast.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं बोला ना? ये थोड़ा audio problem है, opposite of सुनता है. Okay. You want to see? अच्छा, अभी तक नहीं देखा ना? Wait. They want to see you, is it? Wait, let me switch the camera. This person who is waving, she's Arshi, is it? Asia. She's not Europe. She's Asia. And other person, she's Tanisha. And there is one boy is in the corner. Tu is taraf aa bhai. He's the only popular. She's also. It's all good. So we will be meeting maybe when you come here or when they come there. Shall we? Shall. Let's. So such a nice gesture that all are very good friends. Help each others only in studies, not in eating. Shall. Let's proceed. Okay. The plateau if two are disturbing me, then one has to separate. The plateau consists of, underline, two broad divisions. You put number 1, Central Islands, number 2, Deccan Plateau. Is it okay? और number 1 कहाँ डाल रहा है? पेज के एज में डाल रहा है। ओए,
Two plot maybe.
number 1 is Central Islands, number 2 is Deccan Plateau.
Central.
Highlight. Hey, where's your one?
हर वाले में भी।
Where's your one?
Sir, 500 beds.
अभी जा, ऐसे कैसे नहीं मिला रहेगा? You are least bothered to collect it.
Sir, नहीं sir मैंने कहा।
आज पूछा क्या?
Sir,
अच्छा फिर बैठ जा, फिर don't.
sir आज नहीं कुछ।
आंसर जा, अगर extra copy.
Yes.
Wait, he didn't get it. Let us mark Central Island. Underline. It lies north of Narmada. Did I exactly say? ये जो नर्मदा रिवर है इसका ऊपर जो है वो आके Central Islands है. To the south, Deccan Plateau. Underline. Vindhyan Range is bounded by Central Islands. Underline only Vindhyan Range.
Give me.
And underline Aravallis to the northwest. If I show you the Aravallis, look here. Aravallis is exactly like this. From Gujarat, it is towards Delhi. Once these Aravallis were much taller than the present Himalayas. It's okay. Now use it. Once these Aravallis were much taller than the present Himalayas, but today they even lost the status of mountain. They are called as Aravalli hills. Correct? They are eroded. Let's proceed. The further extension merges with underline sandy, rocky desert of Rajasthan. If I want to say, ये जो part है Central Islands, if it is entering into west side, it is merging with whom? The desert of Rajasthan. Are you understanding? Side by side, I am showing you the map also. Don't confuse the direction. This is which direction? I forget her name. Tanisha. I forget. West. West of what? India. Entering into what? She enter into which desert? The Thar desert. Okay, let's proceed. So we are into which plateau? We are into which plateau? Nakshatra. Which plateau are we in? Wrong.
Northern,
Northern.
western,
Western. You tell all the direction. अरे दो ही तो plateau है, Central Island and Deccan Plateau.
Central Island.
Plains and northern.
Wait. I'll tell you. If this is your Deccan Plateau, this is River Narmada. Correct? North of River Narmada is Central Islands.
The Indians of you.
Correct. And south of River Narmada is
Deccan Plateau.
ये बस याद रखो. This is north. This is and Central Islands extends towards the west. It gets into Rajasthan. अभी Tanisha ने बोला. Correct. Let's proceed now. The flow of rivers underline the Chambal, the Sindh, the Betwa, and the Ken. No need to mark the direction. Underline. Central Islands are wider in west, narrow in the east. I'll show you. When you look at Central Island here, look here. I'm saying it is wider. Wider means this part is west, and whereas this part is east. So which is more wider? West, and which is more narrow? East. Understanding? Yeah. एक काम कर, तू उसका टेक्स्ट दे दे. Today I think lot of disturbance. You come here. I'll give my textbook. One come into the first bench instead of jamming. First or second. आप आ जाओ ना. She's inside. आप तो वैसा बैठो. You come here. Easy. Now settle. All peace. Happy. I'm not separating you. You first. पर उसके लिए भी मेरे ऊपर केस मत बना दो. चलो ठीक है. ज्योग्राफी के लिए गद्दार बनता है. बाद में चाहिए तो आप वफादार हो जाए. चलो let's proceed. Where are we doing? Now we have Bundelkhand Highland, the eastward extension of this plateau. Underline. Locally known as Bundelkhand. If I'm again going to eastward, it is narrow side. Am I moving towards West Bengal? So this is called as Bundelkhand. And one more, Baghelkhand bhi aayega. And Baghelkhand. Underline. Chota Nagpur Plateau. Chota Nagpur Plateau ke niche everyone write on Jharkhand. Please write on Jharkhand. That is the MSD.
Sir, I don't know.
You went to it. Jharkhand क्यों गए थे?
Sir, वो
Are you from Ranchi?
actually what happened?
तू स्टोरी स्टार्ट मत कर मेरे पास आज कम टाइम तो शॉर्ट में सुना
Sir,
समझ आगे let's proceed. Now we are going into Chota Nagpur underland eastward extension drained by river Damodar. So now we have finished which part of the Indian plateau?
नहीं, Budelkhand
Central
Central Highland.
Highlands we have finished.
and
That is a part of Central Island only, na? Now we are getting into south of river Narmada. What it is known as?
Deccan Plateau.
Deccan Plateau. Very good. Deccan Plateau. Other two very good. Bolna. Very good. Very good. अभी मेरे लिए कोई very good बोलेगा?
Very good.
Very good. Thank you. Let's proceed. The Deccan Plateau underline triangular landmarks. Are they absolutely right?
yes.
Wherever I'm showing a triangular landmass. एक ब्रांच में पूछा सर ये ट्रायंगल क्यों है? मैंने बोला बेटा पेनिनसुला एक मिनट पेनिनसुला ऐसा है तो थोड़ी हमारा प्लेट्यू ऐसा रहेगा. हाँ सर ये लॉजिक है. तो नॉर्मली डेक्कन प्लेट्यू ट्रायंगल है. हाँ जी. So it is what it is, and what it is not. Good English. Go ahead. Let's proceed. The Satpura range, underline. Satpura range is its a base. Circle that. Mahadev, Kaimur, and Michael range. ये सब mountain है जो उसका boundary में है. Deccan Plateau underline higher in west and gentle in east. Now, how would I explain higher in west? Everyone look at the board. This is my west part and this is my east part. और ये भी सेम ही था. Central Island कैसा था? Broader in west, narrow in west. और ये भी सेम है. West में higher है and east में ये narrow. Is it easy or confusing? Easily confusing. Or confusingly easy? Easy. Let's go ahead. Plateau is also underlined. Visible in northeast. Did I say northeast? Yes. उसका local name देखो. Meghalaya and Karbi Ablong. I love this name. Karbi Ablong.
unique.
Unique. Good. It is separated from underline Chota Nagpur and North Catchord Hills. The west. These are the areas from where this ये जो मेघालय पार्ट है ना ये कैसा इससे सेपरेटेड है. ये दोनों हिल्स की वजह से डेक्कन प्लेटू नीचे है and these are in Meghalaya up in the northeast. And why they say these are Deccan Plateau? Because it shows the same features of Deccan. वही black soil है, वही volcanic origin है. अभी इसका कोई बहन है, for example, I don't know. You have? You are the only. Really?
Good guess. Good guess. Interview highway.
अच्छा, let us pick up. She is having a sister somewhere deep in some part of India. Whatever she resembles, whatever she says, even she says. But she is in the northeast. But I'll say both are the part of the same family. Are you understanding? So now the Deccan Plateau is here, but we have northeast also because the characteristics, the features are shown. And suddenly वो पूछेगी सर मेरा और मेरा बहन के बीच में क्या difference? मैंने बोला she is in the northeast and you are in the west, separated by the two hills. What is that? North Catchord and then no. और एक hills है ना मेघालय. Chota Nagpur. Okay.
Why is her sister deep?
No. Because the origin is same, but the location is different. अभी इन दोनों का origin same है, इधर और जो मेघालय में है, but location अलग-अलग. Okay, let's proceed. In between Nakshatra was joining left and right. कौन आ रहा जा रहा है?
Sir, my battery was about to die.
Then what are they doing?
He put the charger.
Are they disturbing you?
No.
You are disturbing them. Are you sure?
Yeah.
So what I was explaining,
I don't know.
when you are disturbed. I was explaining Deccan Plateau, we have it in the northeast as well. What it is known as Karbi, Ablong and Meghalaya. ये मेरा आंसर नहीं है, उसका ही आंसर है ना तनिषा? अच्छा, ठीक है. So let's proceed. The average elevation, underline Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats. marks the western and eastern boundary. Western Ghats lies parallel to the western coast. I am making one more diagram. Please look at this. Not a diagram. Our Indian map only.
Sir,
Yes.
like market Deccan that is at Western Ghats is in the west and Eastern Ghats in the east.
And that is understandable. Na? Look here. This is my western Ghat. And this is my broken eastern Ghat.
Yes.
Now, when I am saying the Indian plateau's boundary, Western Ghat is the boundary for west part of the Indian Deccan Plateau. Do you accept?
Yes, sir.
I can't say this is boundary. Why not boundary? Because it's broken. Boundary रहेगा तो continuous रहना चाहिए. So this is my WG and this is my EG. What does EG stands for? What does WG stands for?
Western
Which is making the boundary for Deccan Plateau.
Western.
Western Ghats. Which boundary? West boundary. But can I say the same for east boundary?
No.
Very good. It is broken. Let's proceed. After that, Eastern Ghats. Look at that. Western Ghats are higher than Eastern Ghats. उसके पहले और एक line भी है. They are continuous. Underline continuous. And underline. ऊपर है देखो. Western Ghats are continuous and can be crossed through passes. Who can tell me passes? Let me ask to Nakshatra only. What do you mean by passes, Nakshatra?
You need a pass to go through the Western Ghats.
Which visiting pass?
Yes.
Deccan Plateau.
Wait. Visiting pass.
In Deccan Plateau, it crosses the pass.
I'm asking what is the meaning of the word pass?
The road of
Sir, pass.
the land.
While explaining Himalayas, did we not say Nathula, Shikila, Bombdila, or मैंने बोला BSF का forces उधर रखा है.
Sir,
नक्षत्र का idea very good है. You need a pass to go to Western Ghats. पापा को बनाने बोलेंगे. Normally, if you remember, there is a narrow opening space. I showed you some passes in the Himalayas also. I just erased this part and I might have shown you like this. You remember?
yes, sir.
ऐसा कुछ. So these are passes. Where do we have passes? Eastern Ghats or Western Ghats?
Western.
Eastern Ghats passes. Absolutely.
The video is.
No, ma'am. No, sir.
You tell me where do we find passes Western Ghats or Eastern?
Sir, please.
There is some
The west.
identification problem. I am ma'am to her. Eastern Ghats, sure.
Please.
The western.
Already it is broken. Why do you need a pass? It is Western Ghats you have passes, small passes. I know. Who was
नहीं,
saying?
मेरे को ऐसे इशारा की ईस्टर्न घाट्स को ही बोली।
वो करेगा तो तुम बोल देगा. Use of common sense. So where is the passes?
Western Ghats.
So is that making the passes? You only told na visitor
No.
pass. So it is a natural pass. So you have to start from where? Himalayas. Which are the famous passes in Himalayas? Nathula, Shipkila, Bombdila, and a Khyber, Bolan, Doda Beta, ये सब passes है.
इतना नहीं।
हाँ बहुत सारे. I can tell you so many. But sorry for you guys, उतना ज़्यादा नहीं चाहिए.
Sir,
Open the page.
Sir, what's the accident?
तू क्या कर रहा था? Green signal नहीं दिखा. Okay, let us get into the page. What is the page number? 150. Okay. Aravali Hills. नहीं और भी ऊपर है. The Eastern Ghats stretch from underline Mahanadi Valley. Underline Nilgiris. Eastern. Third point, sir. Third point.
So after this,
अच्छा sorry. The average ये accident हो गया तो मैं भी नीचे छू.
the western घाट्स are
The Western Ghats are higher. वो मैंने बोल दिया.
I-
Average elevation is 900 to 16. Just look at the board again. अभी Western Ghats का average elevation बोला है 900 to 1100. Now if I want to tell you exactly, when we move from north to south, here it is maximum. Here it is average, minimum. So मतलब if I show you this map, my Western Ghats will be like this. Either नीचे रहेगा and either ऊपर रहेगा. Are you understanding what I am showing you? So here it might be 900. Here it might be how much meters? 1100 meters above sea level. Absolutely clear. Eastern Ghats का अभी तक हम लोग आए नहीं. We are still in the Western Ghats. Okay. Let's proceed ahead. The Western Ghats, sorry, the Eastern Ghats stretch from underline Mahanadi Valley to Nilgiris. If I say Mahanadi River is somewhat here, so ये Nilgiris इधर है. Normally in Tamil Nadu it is, but it stretches, and Nilgiris is very long. It stretches all over Tamil Nadu and part of Karnataka and Andhra also.
But it is
The range is broken, oh my boy. I am saying the boundary. ये महानदी इधर का boundary है, नीलगिरी इधर का boundary. वो तो broken है. Who is going to construct a bridge in between? Next, Eastern Ghats are underlined, discontinuous and irregular, and dissected. You can give me the reason for dissecting of these?
Sir, because they are broken. So
One and the same. Who was answering other? Wait, why it is dissected?
Because of the rivers flowing through it.
Very good. Which rivers they are? South Indian rivers. What is the nature of these rivers?
sir,
They are short and they are swift. You know what is the meaning of the word swift? They are very. So they have dissected these part. Whereas this side, only two rivers flow. Which are those rivers?
Sir, Narmada.
Narmada and Tapi. Are they very short and swift? No. Tapi is a very small river as compared to Narmada. Narmada is huge. Okay. So because of many rivers like Tungabhadra, Kaveri, Krishna, all flowing into Eastern Ghats, they have dissected. Not today or yesterday. It have been done for years. Let's go to the next line. The Western Ghats are known by not the Eastern Ghats are discontinuous, irregular, and dissected. Next, Western Ghats cause underline orographic rain. Underline the word orographic. Now understand what is orographic rain. So normally we have three types of rainfall, but ये rainfall थोड़ा different है. Wait.
Hailstorm?
Hailstorm नहीं, rainfall बोलो तो hailstorm नहीं. वो कुछ भी बोलना. So this part of the mountain which gets more rainfall, we call it as windward. Come on, what side?
Wind.
Whereas this side which gets less rainfall or no rainfall is called leeward. I mean, the reason is that the clouds concentrating here gives maximum rainfall here. Look here, I'm showing one more or two others. When it ascends, the evaporation is big. And when it descends, only 20% of the moisture is left. So it gives less rainfall. So draw this picture and write orographic rain in your notebook, everyone. Orographic rain. Draw this picture. Windward side more rainfall, leeward side less or no rainfall.
Sir, you know, in this Parker, the repair is also fine. Sir, so I did a jugaad, sir. Sir,
तू है ना तेरे एज के ऊपर बात कर चुपचाप
the pay.
जुगाड़ सब हम लोग भी यूज करते चुपचाप लिखो चलो लिखो
That is cloud, right?
Windward side of the mountain, this is leeward side of the mountain. Like Maharashtra, we have best example. We have Mahabaleshwar, which is windward side, Western Ghats. It gets 300 centimeters of rainfall. Why? Have you heard about why? It is on the leeward side. It gets only 60 centimeters of rain.
Sir, I had a question, sir. Sir, in rainfall, in daytime, sometimes the rainfall comes in only 1 day. Sir, why?
It is concentrated.
Sir, but this much, in this much.
That is only that spotted cloud. एक cloud है जो बस होके गिर रहा है. Let's go ahead. फिर आगे है Western Ghats are known by underline different local names. And Western Ghats progressively increase from underline north to south. Did I say Western Ghats का north में height कम है? By the time you come down to the south, the height increases. Then Aravalli Hills to the northwest, underline northwest. They are highly eroded. Why it is highly eroded? 900 to 1100. Underline then Gujarat to Delhi. Yeah, Aravalli is there. Okay. One of the distinct main feature of peninsular plateau circle black. वो सब उधर है. Then you एक minute. Peninsular plateau underline black soil. Known as Deccan Trap. Please put 2 question mark over Deccan Trap. below that small rectangular box.
तो यहाँ पे
This is of underline volcanic origin. And this rocks are, did I say which rocks are? Yes, the igneous rocks. And normally they form black stone. I left one point of this Western Ghats, the highest peaks above that small rectangular box. Underline Anaimudi, Doda Beta, and Mahendragiri. ये पूरा साउथ में ही है. Anaimudi तो साउथ में, I think in Tamil Nadu is the highest peak in Western Ghats. Let us go down to the next page. Now I am waiting, please read it, because this Indian Plateau and Deccan Central Island is little bit bigger. But don't worry, I am showing you a video also, which will give you clear picture. Please read it of the same, so that you are not getting confused. What does it mean? Read it, use my volume, don't spare the time.
Which one?
Central Islands and Deccan Plateau. Which one you are doing? Who is making that noise?
So is that a plane?
This is the triple layer now. It is going to be launched.
So how does it fly?
I know. It has double or triple layer engines. You haven't gone by A380.
Sir, yes.
To which we would.
Sir, what लेके वो इतना बड़ा सी?
This is a different thing. Airbus 360. Double layer, this is triple. Are you looking here or are you studying, reading there?
Yes.
I could see reaction from the ad.
अच्छा.
नामचा भरवा है. बाहर से क्या बात है?
Location. 53 seconds. Next. The magnitude of longitude. Equal 30 minutes.
I should get that one. Ekantane, shall we get into that Indian desert?
Okay.
Because today we have less time.
Yes.
We'll do.
Yes.
Okay. So we'll try to finish this chapter today. Let's see if I get time in the next lecture. We can go ahead and we can show you that. Sure. Mark the next one. Indian desert is very easy. It is very small and very easy to remember also. Come here. Indian desert, underline, lies towards western margin of Aravallis. Now, if you look at Aravallis here, look here. This is the western margin. What is western margin? This is Aravallis, which is from Gujarat to Delhi. Not exact Delhi, on the same direction. So, ये उसका west side में है. Second point. In it is an underline, undulating. Anybody knows what is the meaning of the word undulating? If I draw a picture like this, these are undulating. Up, down, anticline and syncline. Plane, not plane. Next, this region receives underline very low rainfall. Hey, how do you convert 115 to centimeter?
1 meter.
Divide by 100.
So,
No, sorry, divide by 10.
Hardly 15 centimeter भी नहीं है.
1.5.
1.5. 2 centimeter rainfall मिलता है. Let it be in between the lecture. Why your phone is different? Let it be. Put that phone in the opposite. Next, it has underline arid climate, low vegetation. Vegetation के ऊपर ये word लिखना. I think your science teacher might explain this.
yes.
Xerophytic.
No, sir.
Yes.
लिखो. Vegetation के ऊपर ये लिख के रखना. Xerophytic. Dry vegetation, thorns, cacti, cuticle, और भी बहुत सारा है. I can't explain. Your science teacher will explain. Written. Let's proceed ahead.
It has
It has arid climate, low vegetation, streams underline appear during rainy. During के ऊपर लिखो only during rainy season. बाकी season में तो streams दिखता भी नहीं है. Underline Luni is the only large river. ये भी कोई उतना बड़ा नहीं है, but ठीक है राजस्थान के लिए बड़ा. वो हाँ है ना. अभी बर्चांस करके heading डालो. Drawing that picture, please draw it in a mountain. It is not here in the model. But look at the board first. You draw this arch first and draw this extension and try to be that arch. And these are the winds, strong wind. And this is called as a barchan.
Sir, but what is this?
You write it. Then you write it is a crescent shaped sand dune. Crescent shaped sand dune.
Oh.
Formed due to strong wind action. Formed due to strong wind action. Copy down as it is in your book. Formed due to strong wind action. It is a crescent shaped sand dune formed due to strong wind action. Normally ये sand dune ऐसा रहा होगा, correct? अभी ये हट गया, ये crescent shape. Crescent मतलब half moon.
Sir, but mountains are like.
नहीं, mountain नहीं.
Sir, वही sand.
अच्छा ठीक, बना. इतना अच्छा story होता है, I am lost in it. Shall we? Then we are going into coastal plains. Now if I draw it again once more. Okay. Okay. We have coastal plains here. You remember northern Sarkar?
Yes.
And this is called as Coromandel Coast. Correct?
Yes, sir.
And then this we have Konkan Coast. Then we have this is Kannad Plain. This is not coast, huh? Kannad Plain. And this is which coast? This is called as Malabar Coast. This is Kerala. Abhi ye notebook mein as it is bana. This is Malabar Coast. This is Kerala. This is Tamil Nadu. This is our state, Odisha, Northern Sarkar. Then we have timing again, planning for your what is that name? Jagannath Puri. No. Same. But I don't know, Lord Krishna is not calling me. But very soon I have to go and take his bus. Jagannath Puri. Hey, when is that main festival starts? When? February
Sir,
time.
what is the first
Which one?
on the west side?
This is Northern Sarkar. Northern
No,
Sarkar.
sir, on the other side.
This is Konkan Coast. N.
And under that?
This is Kannad Plain. Kannad Plain. Hey, you are from Karnataka?
No.
That is your state only.
No.
Then wait.
I'm Maharashtrian only. Only my dad is from Tamil Nadu.
Oh. Then how are you from
I
Maharashtra?
am from Karnataka.
Sir, that is in June 20 only, in 2020.
Settle you. अच्छा अभी आ रहा है.
Ja.
But I heard it is very crowdy and people will sample me and I'm a tiny little creature afraid of all the clouds. And that we are not allowed to touch. तुम तभी पूछा बच्चा. Hey guys, write it Konkan Coast, Kannad Plain, Malabar Coast. This is Kerala, Tamil Nadu. This is that Odisha, that Mahanagar.
Sir, you are from Chennai.
No, I'm from Maharashtra, Bombay, Mumbai. Yeah, let's move into coastal plains now. Underline peninsular plateaus flanked by the stretch of underline narrow coastal strips. Underline Arabian Sea and Bob. Yeah, that's a experience. ए मैं वो वेकेशन टाइम में बहुत स्लो बात करता हूँ.
हाँ सर.
Listen, what is the secret? then it was ठीक है, I will try. ठीक है, I'll go. Next, everyone underline that word Western Coast. वो बताता हूँ. Sandwich between Ghats and Arabian Sea. Now look here. Now if I'm marking you the Western Ghats, ये मेरा Western Ghats है, ये Arabian Sea है, and इसके बीच में क्या आता है? Western Coast. So this is Arabian Sea, this is Ghats. In between, what are we having? West Coast. So it is sandwiched between Arabian Sea and Western Ghats. अभी समझ में आया? She is a remember of her sandwich made by mother, not that sandwich. This is a different sandwich. Got it? Let's proceed. The western coast consists of, it is a narrow plain. Underline narrow plain. 3 sections को underline करो. First, Konkan. Did we mark Konkan? Yes. अभी inside the bracket you write Mumbai, Goa. इधर map के अंदर ही लिखो. Mumbai, Goa. Konkan के opposite. Anisha. Where is the map? No, I've asked you to draw this. So right here, Mumbai, Goa, inside the map. Second, here you have to write Kannada plain. What is Kannada plain all about? Kannada plain is all about what? Kannada plain, you underline Karnataka here. And then Malabar coast, you write Kerala. Inside the here you write Karnataka का spelling. The northern plain along the Bay of Bengal, underline wide and level. It is referred as Northern Sarkar. इधर से तो ब्रैकेट में अंदर लिखो ओडिशा, mainly ओडिशा का ही पार्ट है. And then while southern part is Coromandel. अभी Coromandel के अंदर लिखना what? TN. What is TN stands for? Tamil Nadu.
What will we write in the northern Sarkar?
Northern Sarkar is Odisha. Here, inside the bracket Odisha. Rivers Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. So only small part is left. Next lecture I will be finishing this chapter. I want you guys to learn and come. हाँ बोलो. But without learning अगर कोई भी आया, including Nakshatra, I will send you inside your other room. That's what the punishment I can do. Okay, Celia. Bye-bye and take care. And everyone, be serious and learn the geography chapters. Thank you and good night.